Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pineapple probiotic drink. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe pineapple, about 8 cups of filtered water, and 1 cup of brown sugar. You can also add optional spices like cinnamon sticks or cloves for extra flavor. Make sure you have a large glass jar, a clean cloth, and a rubber band ready for the fermentation process. This simple recipe uses the pineapple's natural yeasts to create a delicious, fizzy beverage. Next, let's prepare the pineapple. It's important to thoroughly wash the pineapple, as we'll be using its peel and core for the drink. Carefully cut off the skin and remove the core, setting them aside. You can save the pineapple flesh for another use. In your large glass jar, dissolve 1 cup of brown sugar in 8 cups of filtered, non-chlorinated water. Stir well to ensure the sugar is mostly dissolved before adding the pineapple pieces. Now, it's time to start the fermentation. Place the pineapple peels, core, and any optional spices like cinnamon sticks or cloves into the sugar water in your glass jar. It's crucial to ensure all the solid pineapple pieces are fully submerged in the liquid to prevent mold from forming. You can use a small plate or fermentation weight if needed. Cover the jar with a clean cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band, allowing air to circulate while keeping contaminants out. Let your pineapple probiotic drink ferment for 2 to 3 days at room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Taste it daily to achieve your preferred level of tanginess and fizz. Once it's ready, strain the liquid, discarding the pineapple pieces and spices, then transfer the delicious drink to clean, airtight bottles. You can refrigerate it immediately or allow it to ferment for an additional day for more carbonation. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.